Hey everybody, so today I'm going to give you a quick history lesson. Yes, it's the morning and I look like an absolute mess. A quick history lesson of ashersamphibians and reptiles. And yes, I'm allergic to grass. So what I used to own as pets, I used to keep hamsters as pets. I absolutely loved hamsters. Hamsters were one of my favorite animals to keep, but I don't have hamsters anymore. I own reptiles now, which are way better. And now I need to breed mice. So let's use all this stuff plus 3 enclosures to make mice habitats for breeding. I'm Asher, and you want to see Asher's amphibians and reptiles? Stick around. Take it from you, Adam. Alright, so here's something I'm going to tell you guys, okay? That is the enclosure right there. It's small, but we have all this hamster stuff, tubes. We do have another enclosure, but I can't find the lid for it. So we might use it, but we might not, and it would connect to this one. So let's time lapse and put this thing together. So, they don't need all that space, and they didn't even use most of it, but that's okay. I just moved them into another enclosure. So, this is the breeding mouse habitat. I'm gonna add the last couple pieces of chew toys in here, because the friends and sizers never stop growing. So just put these in there. I might put this on right there. For a female, when she has babies, she can chew on something. But I don't know if I'm gonna set up the baby one. I might, but I don't have any babies yet, so it's like, what's the point? So these cages will be outside, which is gonna be fine because it's very, very warm here. it doesn't drop below 5 Celsius out here, which mice are gonna survive in the wild like that, and that's just natural. But I see mice all the time outside during this time, so they will be totally fine outside. And I'm also gonna have the babies outside as well, but they won't have babies till probably June, May, so it'll be a lot warmer, and then the pinkies will last, and then I'm gonna have to swap out every single year because I'm only breeding outside, not gonna breed inside because I don't want mice to get out into my house. So, yeah. Mouse, it's a male. We cannot find females anywhere. Like, come on, sell females. But we also have this food. So we have the enclosure. We're just gonna put some food in the food dish and then put it in. And we only, like I said, got a male because we're having a hard time trying to find females. This is the enclosure, little hide, a little stuff to do. Just give us a little bit of enrichment. So the mouse is now in the enclosure. I don't even know where it is. Oh, there it is. Checking stuff out. And we are having a very hard time finding female. Alright, so the mouse is outside now. Thank you guys for watching this episode of Ashes, Amphibians, and Reptiles. Hopefully soon we'll have some females. And I hope you have a good rest of your day. Bye.